Begin by heating a ½ ounce of liquid butter alternative in a wok. Place the protein in the hot wok and stir fry for 2 minutes or until cooked through. Remove and set aside. Next, scramble the eggs in the wok until they reach 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Once fully cooked, remove and set aside. In the same wok, heat the remaining ½ ounce of liquid butter alternative. Once hot, add ginger and garlic and stir fry for 30 seconds, followed by the carrots, red peppers, and peas. Stir fry for 90 seconds. Add in cold rice and quickly spread mixture in a thin layer around the bottom 2/3 of the wok. Drizzle sesame oil in a circular motion just above the rice line so that the oil can coat the rice evenly. Cook for 30 seconds without stirring. Swirl the pan to distribute the oil and check a portion of the rice for color. Continue to swirl and check until there's a light golden brown crust on the rice, approximately 15 to 90 more seconds. Stir thoroughly and add in cooked protein, followed by 2 ounces of tamari, eggs, and sliced green onion until fully combined and reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer to a to-go container and keep warm. When the delivery driver arrives, place it into a to-go bag with fortune cookies and utensils.